So we just installed this solar powered outdoor shower. It cost under $100, it took under 10 minutes, and we still can't believe how easy it was to install. So whether you're a weekend DIYer, a camping lover, or someone who simply just wants to rinse off without wrecking your shower, this might be the most quickest, budget-friendly upgrade we have ever done. No fancy tools, no tradesperson, and no stress. We were lucky to pick up our solar-powered shower at Aldi for $80. With a little bit of research, I found that all big box stores sell these. How it works. Cold water comes from a garden hose straight to the shower head. Hot water. Cold water goes into a sun-heated storage tank. This pushes hot water from the top of the tank out through the top port and into the shower head. Warm water. Adjusting the mixer blends cold water with hot water from the tank to achieve the desired temperature. So in the box was the 2 black pipes, shower head, hose fitting, and thread tape. What I needed was a length of hose with 2 fittings either side, some lubricant, and 4 dynabolts. I have already drilled and put in the dynabolts. Now I'm just putting the bottom piece of the shower on and securing it with the 4 nuts. After this, you'll need your lubricant of some sort to fit the 2 pipes together. There's an O-ring that fits them tight together to stop leakage. Apply a generous amount of lubricant to both sections before trying to put them together. While doing this, I didn't anticipate how it would look on camera. The 2 pipes fit together like Lego pieces, and with a little bit of force they are pushed together. You then screw the thread from the top pipe onto the bottom pipe, joining them both together. Next you have to apply the thread tape before putting on the shower head. And now you can screw on the shower head. The last step, you'll need to cut a length of garden hose to the desired length. You will then fit a hose connector on each side, then all that is left to do is turn the tap on and you're outdoor showering. This is a brand new channel, so every like, comment and sub helps more than you could ever know.
So if you enjoyed this video, even just a little bit, tap that like button, say hey in the comments,
And subscribe. It would mean the world.